So guys, we are on a mission, and when the creatures are here, one of us will have to look fabulous. So this is the BirdBox makeup challenge. So for those of you that has watched the movie Bird Box, you will know what I'm talking about, especially that scene from just now. Oh my god, that was so heartbreaking. Bird Box is a movie about how you have to blindfold yourself and like survive through these creatures that are apparently making humans commit suicide. So if you have made eye contact with the creature, you will want to die. The aim of this is to not take off your blindfold for the entire journey. So after the movie has aired and people who have watched it, they actually go through this challenge called the BirdBox, like 24-hour BirdBox challenge. Don't worry, I'm not harming myself by doing the actual 24-hour BirdBox challenge. That is like self-harm in another level. They are freaking driving with a blindfold on, and I think mine is just very mediocre in terms of danger. I think it's zero danger anyway. What's the most that can happen to me? Like, I'll mess up my makeup. First, I have to take off the blindfold. If not, how am I going to do my full face makeup, right? And I will have to remove my current makeup. I have a bit of makeup right now, so let's just wish me luck, and I hope I don't screw this up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started now, and I have my makeup bag here, my beauty blender, but I forgot to wet it before coming into this room, and I've set up my backdrop. I can't open the door anymore, so whatever. I bet when the creatures are here, I have no freaking time to walk to the sink to freaking wet my beauty blenders. My makeup bag is with me almost every day, so I think I know where my items are, so I won't be screwing up in terms of using the wrong thing on the wrong parts of my face. But I think in terms of drawing properly, making my brows sisters, identical twins, I think that's gonna be an issue. So let's just find out now, okay? I'm gonna close my eyes. I just thought of a challenge because my brow pencil, eyeliner, they are all the same. I think this is my eyeliner. I know this is my eyeliner. I don't know. I think this is, yeah, this is my brow pencil.
I don't know what am I doing. This is actually hard. My heart is like pumping. This is using a lot of my brain power and focus, which I don't think I'm good at. I think the brows are the hardest part, and after this I'll be fine, right?
I'm just gonna be done with it. I don't know, when did I do my brows first? It's so embarrassing if I look ugly. Okay, I'm going to foundation now. Oh no, on here. It better be on the blender, it better be on the blender. Okay. Yes, I feel it. Wait, okay. I'm so tense. Like, I can't relax. Oh my god. And makeup is supposed to be therapeutic, whatever. This is the most stressed out that I've been while doing my makeup. Oh my god. My hands are cold. My heart is pumping. Did it drip down? Like, why is it? Now I'll be doing my lips. This is hard. This is hard. Okay. Okay, it's in. It's in. Finding the right brush. Yes, this one. This is easy. Oh, wait. No, I used my blush brush. No. I have two of the same item. One is blush, one is contour. I mean, they are from the same brand. So if this is brown, Lord bless me. But I'm just gonna go ahead. Nope. Yep. This should be my sleek highlighter. And I know I'm gonna use this. Nope. Okay. This shade. This is really hard. It's really hard to keep my eyes closed right now. Oh my god! Okay, did I just point at the mirror? Okay, I'm gonna use this shade, guys. I know my palette. Okay, my battery died halfway, so I had to go and change it, and I've seen how I look, but I'll comment about it later. Just now we saw at my eyeshadow, and I know this by heart. I know I always use the third shade. Okay, I think I screwed up. I screwed up big time. My god. Okay, so I'm going to open my eyes right now. Okay. I look crazy. Why do I look white? Like, I'm using the same shade as my day-to-day. Okay. First comment, I look freaking white. I don't know why. But the brows though, even though they are crazily huge, but at least they match. Like, they are sisters. They are ugly sisters, but they are sisters. They are freaking related, okay? And my lips. Okay, it's all in my lips. The foundation is just weird. Like, why? I think, yeah, you really have to wet your beauty blender because it really affects the way the foundation appears after you are done blending. So not only getting a beauty blender is good, it ensures even blending, but also remember to always wet your beauty blender because that really helps the evenness. And yeah, look at me, I'm freaking white. So you see how bad it is to not wet your beauty blender. Eyeshadow is good. Eyeliner, like, guys, look, the wings are matchy once again. Oh my god, I can't believe I just put my face so close to the camera for y'all to look at this insanity. Blush and highlight is okay lah. Blush and highlight, how can you screw it up, right? This is the final outcome of my BirdBox makeup challenge. I don't think I did freaking well, but I don't think I screwed up big time as well. I think I did okay. I would go out like this only in a BirdBox apocalypse, okay? I wouldn't go out like this on a normal day. So yeah, give me a freaking thumbs up for my effort and me just making a fool out of myself doing this challenge for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos this year. I hope I'll be doing more videos this year. I will push myself, okay? So bye!